Hi people, this is Neha. So today video is all about Chakrasana walking, exactly the way you just saw me practicing now. Now you must know one thing, before you start understanding and practicing this video with me, you should know very well to practice Chakrasana. Practicing Chakrasana walking actually can make your spine more flexible and more strengthening, and also it will help you to open up your shoulder little more. So first practice Chakrasana if you are a beginner, and if you do not know how to practice Chakrasana, this video is not for you. I have already made a video 7 days Chakrasana series where I have explained from the basics. If you are a beginner, if you don't have flexibility from there, how to reach Chakrasana, so much I have already made a video before. You can find the link in description for those videos. Once you know that you can practice Chakrasana, so here this video is for you to take it to next further step. In this video, we are going to learn a small technique that how actually you can start walking on your force, on your leg as well as on your palm when you are in Chakrasana. Also a bit of postures which can be helpful as a warm up. So let's start. The basic warm up is your shoulder and your spine. Okay, so a very simple warm up could be regular shoulders rotations. You can do these rotations 5 to 10 times. 4, 5. So let me just do only 5 now because I just want to keep the video short. Another 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. And the next warm up is going to be a movement of your shoulder again. So you are going to move your both the hands up and down as fast as possible. So this you can do at least 20 times. So try to push your hands up and down faster. And relax. Now spine warm up, which is very basic, cat and cow, which you should just do by default. Take your focus to the spine. Let's just do this 3 to 4 times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Next one, we are going to go to straight Chakrasana. I am assuming that you are not a beginner. I am assuming that you are already super comfortable with Chakrasana. Okay. So for somebody like who has a very good flexibility in your spine and you are used to do these stretches every day, then it should not be a problem. Okay. So we'll practice Chakrasana 2 to 3 times, just coming up and coming down. Place your hands next to the ears. Now inhale up, come up to Chakrasana. Exhale down. We're going to do the same thing 2 more times. Inhale up, exhale down. Last 1 more time. Inhale up, exhale down. And once you're done with this, you're going to bend your knee to the chest and roll back and forward. Round your shoulder. This is a self massage for the spine and preparing it for further extension. Now from here, you're going to open up your arms. You're going to push your both the knee to the side, first to the right side and to the left side. Do this 5 to 10 times. Once you're done with 5 to 10 times of these stretches, come up. Now we'll see the technique, how are you actually moving. See, it is mostly in your mind because the coordination will be in your mind when you're walking. Because when you're up and down, you won't be able to see yourself exactly how is your hand moving, how is your leg moving. So first you should know exactly what is the movement, which leg comes when. So for this, we'll practice like this. So here I'll tell you the technique. It's very simple. Make sure that when you move your right hand forward, you move your right leg forward. Okay, and then when you move your left hand forward, you're going to get your left leg forward. See, this is all what you have to do throughout when you're walking backwards. For example, say this is a Chakrasana position. You're going to walk a little ahead with right hand forward, right leg forward, left hand forward, left leg forward, right hand forward, right leg, left hand forward and left leg, and so on. So once you have this idea in your mind, it becomes very easy for you to coordinate in your mind. Okay. Now let's see how to apply this in your Chakrasana straight away. Now come to Chakrasana first. You're going to place your both the hands next to the ears inwards. As you inhale, you're going to lift your chest up. Now, we'll apply the same logic. Right hand forward, right leg back. Left hand forward, left leg back. Right hand, right leg, left hand and left leg. Once you're done with Chakrasana, once you come back, every time you're going to relax your spine. How do you relax your spine? Bending your knee and giving the roll back and forward. Round your shoulder, lift. And then once again give a side stretch to the spine. Right and left. Right and left. And then slowly come up. Now, make sure that you do counter postures. Just the way I tried, try to hug yourself, because last part is very important. When you have stressed your spine so much, you need to relax equally. Again, I repeat, this video is for someone who is already well versed with Chakrasana, who has got his spine flexibility well. If you are a beginner, if you try doing this, you might hurt yourself. So be very careful. First you learn Chakrasana pretty well and then you can try this. Thank you so much. I am also conducting online group classes. If you want to practice with me regularly, you can join these live sessions. All the details are given in the description. If you have any doubts, you can reach me on Instagram, Yoga for Cure. You can message me there.